Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is death of a partner. So it is similar to retirement of a partner. So almost goodwill calculation, new profit sharing ratio calculation, everything is almost similar. What is what is the difference between these both? So let us see that. So usually happens the retirement usually happens at the end of the year. So because the partner is taking the decision. But in the case of death, it can happen anytime during the year. Right. So we don't know when it will happen. After year end, next day only it can happen, next month only it can happen, or anytime, right? So that is one difference, and settlement amount will be directly given to retiring partner in case of retirement, right? But in case of death, to whom they will give or to whom they will settle to executor's account, who may be his wife or her husband, someone, right? So who is representing him, so they will settle to that representative or executor's account. So here in retirement, no need to calculate profit for a broken period because the partner will take decision at the year end. And in case of death, we have to calculate profits or whatever settlement is there, have to calculate in the middle of the year, correct? In the middle, anywhere it may be, right? So these are the differences we can see in death or retirement, both the cases, right? Let us see how we can calculate profit of a deceased partner. So there are three cases: using last year's profit, one method, and using average profit, second method, on sales basis, third method. So one by one, we will solve an example and we will understand these things. These are very, very simple calculations. You will understand very easily within minutes, right? So the first case, let us see using last year's profit. For example, Bakul, Chamak, Darshan were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 1. The profit of the firm for the year ending on 31st March 2017 was 1 lakh rupees. Champak died on June 30th, 2017. So who is dying? C. So I will rename it B, C, and let me write it here. So B, C, and D are partners. In that, C is deceased or he is dying on 30th June. So 30th June 2017. So this is the date of death. Correct. Bakul and Darshan, remaining partners are they? No, they decided to share the profits equally. So they are sharing profits equally means 1 is to 1. Champak's share of profit for the period from 1st April to 30th June. That is only 3 months. April, May, June. Only 3 months, right? So on 30th June, he died. So how we can calculate the profit? The profit was 1 lakh for the year. What is deceased partner's share? That is C's share, Champak share. So Champak share is 4 divided by 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10 and his share is 4 out of 10. So 4 out of 10. So how much it is coming out? 40,000? 40,000. But he was there at the firm for only 3 months. So we have to give profits accordingly, right? So only for 3 months we will give. So how many months he was there? 3 months out of how many months? 12 months. So 40,000 divided by, sorry, 40,000 into 3 by 12. It is 10,000. His share of profit is 10,000. This is how we can calculate if they give last year's profit. Simple calculations, right? Fine. So let us see second case. Second case is using average profit method. If Champak's share of profit was to be calculated on basis of average profit, the last 3 years profit they have given. So 1,36,000, 1,54,000, and 1 lakh 3 years profit they have given. Just total it. 1,36,000 plus 1 lakh plus 1,54,000. Second year I missed. 1,54,000. We can divided by average. That is 3. So 1,36,000 into 1 lakh rupees plus 1 lakh 50 something went wrong. 1,36,000, 1,54,000, 1 lakh. So it is 3,90,000. Total is 3,90,000. Correct. So how many years? 3 years divided by 3. So 1,30,000 is the total profit is coming out of the year. Correct. We have to calculate average profit. Sorry, we have already calculated average profit into we have to calculate his share of profit. That is 4 by 10 into 4 by 10, 52,000 it is. For how many months? This is for entire year. If he was there entire year, he would have paid 52,000. But he was there only for 3 months out of 12 months. So 3 divided by 12, it is 13,000 rupees. Is the share of profit 13,000. This is how we will calculate profit if they give average profits or if they give multiple year profit, correct? So we can take the average and calculate it. Next, on the basis of sale, let us see that share of profit of the deceased partner will be worked out on the basis of sales. So the sale for previous year 15-16 were 8 lakh rupees and the sale from first the current year from 1st to 30th June date of his death, correct, 3 months sales were 1,50,000 rupees. The profit of the firm for the year ending 31st March, the previous year profit was 1 lakh rupees. So here date is missed, some mismatch happened here. It should be 2016, right? 2016. So when sale was 8 lakh rupees, the profit is 1 lakh. Correct. If they are doing sale for 8 lakh rupees, the profit will be 1 lakh. But in current year, for the first 3 months till the date of his death, they have done only 1,50,000 worth of sale. Then what will be the profit? Simple calculation. So if they are making 1 lakh rupees out of 8 lakh, then just divide it. 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh rupees into, just into multiply how much they will make for 1,50,000. Just multiply 1,50,000. That's it. 1,50,000. It will be 18,750 for 3 months. Whole profit, not his share of profit. Whole profit 18,750 they will make. Correct. So 18,750 if they are making for 3 months, then his the share of profit will be 4 by 10. Correct. 4 divided by 10. It is 7,500. So this is how we will calculate profits in different cases. These are all very, very normal, simple calculations, right? So in the next video, we will solve one question which will have revaluation and partners capital account also. So kindly note it down. These things are all very important. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comments. Bye bye.